You can look at the Audacity where I have just arranged my music recordings, and you can feel it. Now feel also the bass line and also the drum beats, how they are. And how about the guitar line that I've just added there? How do I relax the song now? You can see I relax the song now. And you can see that I have just done this work. Now, if I unmute also the vocals, you will feel that something has happened here and it is a complete work. And that is what the clients need. And that is what I also need to do to you. Anybody who wants to hire me for this work, I'm going to do a very nice job for that. I'm going to do a nice work for all of you. That is how I do my work perfectly, and I believe going forward I'm going to do even better than this. Everybody, I thank you all for those who have subscribed from my to my channel, and also who have been continuing watching. I have a chance for one-on-one lesson with anybody, any student who wants to join. I'm going to teach you the chord progressions. I'm going to teach you the combination of both bass and rhythm guitar lines plus the lead. And also you are going to enjoy much more free things. If things do work well for all of us, God blesses us all. Amen.